In the world of ice cream manufacturing, consistency, speed, and quality are everything. Every scoop, every swirl, every bite, must deliver perfection. And behind that perfection stands innovation. Introducing the JSK machinery, automatic continuous freezer, a revolution in ice cream technology, built to redefine productivity and taste. At JSK Machinery, we believe automation is not just about machines. It's about making your vision smoother, faster, and smarter. The JSK Automatic Continuous Freezer is engineered for high-performance ice cream production, delivering unmatched efficiency with a design that's compact, hygienic, and durable. With years of engineering expertise and industry feedback, JSK brings you a machine that combines intelligent automation, energy efficiency, and precision freezing, all in one. Built to perform. Built to last. Built for excellence. With JSK Machinery, you get more than a freezer. You get a complete productivity solution. The automatic continuous freezer ensures smooth, uniform output batch after batch. It minimizes wastage, stabilizes temperature control, and guarantees consistency. So every cone, cup, or tub meets your brand's high standards. The JSK Automatic Continuous Freezer is perfect for ice cream manufacturers, dairy plants, contract ice cream production units, industrial dessert producers, and anyone aiming to scale ice cream production with precision. JSK Machinery, freezing innovation, serving perfection. From mix to magic, from factory to freezer. We are your trusted partner in ice cream technology. For more information, visit www.jskmachinery.com or contact our sales team.